everyone, this is Lola. How you doing? Do not mind how busted I look. Okay, I deadass just like got up from my bed, took a chair from my dining room, and brought it up here just so I can do this unboxing video. This will be an unboxing of my new Nintendo Switch Lite. This is actually the second time I am recording this. Because the first time, like, it was way too zoomed in and it just looked very unflattering. Although the day was much brighter and the lighting was much better, I look like I'm sick. Can't do anything about that. Since I said I got it yesterday, I did unbox it yesterday and I was playing it yesterday. But I was like, let me just, repackage it and make it seem like I did. So, new day. I finally got my Nintendo. I got my Nintendo Switch Lite. I got it in regular brown box. I'm not gonna show it because I unfolded it and put it with the other garbage. But I did keep the package for the actual Nintendo. So yeah, I got the Nintendo Switch Lite in turquoise because let me tell you something. If I got it in yellow, although yellow, I really like the color yellow. I just didn't want it in yellow, and it had coral, but I was like, I don't really fuck with pink like that. So, or any type of pinks. And then there was gray, and I was like, my nigga, gray. Christian gray? No. I didn't want to get gray, so I got in turquoise. It looks cute. It's so cute. Comes in and then we're just gonna open it up. So the reason why I got the Switch Lite instead of the actual or the original Switch was because like it was sold out almost like everywhere, and on Amazon sure there were some, but like they were completely overpriced. I was like $500. One person was selling for $800. I was like, I think not. I decided to go on Best Buy and buy the Switch Lite instead. So when you pull it out of the box, it comes like this. I had to find the plastic for this thing to put it back in. I mean, what? And then you would lift up like the latch thing here. Ooh, fancy. You could take the Switch out, and then underneath this little thingamajig is where the charger. Obviously, I unraveled the charger, so because I have to charge it. That's why I'm looking busted. You can just throw this stuff away, and then you open it up. I mean, you already know. You already know the business. I think it's officially turned off, but like if I turn it on, Nintendo. Hi. I didn't really buy any like physical copy games for it. I will soon. I know everybody and their grandma is playing Animal Crossing. At first I was like, I don't even want to fuck with Animal Crossing because everyone is playing that shit, and I'm like, I don't really get the gist. I don't get the vibe. I don't get the hype. But I think my dumbass is just gonna buy it anyways just to see how it goes. And I doubt anybody, even myself, would want to see like a gameplay of me playing Animal Crossing. People want to see my dumbass play these games. I don't know how to play games. Fuck. This is like my first ever handheld. Is this thing on? Ooh, baby, it is on. No, but this is my first ever like handheld type of console device, whatever, for gaming. The only console I really have is like the Wii, and I don't really have games for that. All I have is like a Just Dance that was like way back when, probably the first ever Just Dance. And then I have the, of course, the regular, Wii Sports, Wii Resort game that comes with it. And then I got like an Avatar game. The Avatar, The Last Airbender. You can see why I'm starving for some games, okay? Because all I've been doing is just watching gameplays on YouTube. So far I only have like 2 games. I have Cuphead and Mario 8 Deluxe. I do not have the card, the game card. I just bought it on from the eShop. Let me tell you something. I bought Cuphead before. I bought it off my laptop. I regret it. My dumbass thought, ooh, I think the controls would be so much better me playing Cuphead on this thing. Let me tell you something again. Big mistake. I regret my life altogether because I can't even go past the first. I can't even go past the first level, sweetie. Fuck. Hopefully, anybody who watches this video can suggest any games for me to buy, in order to play on the Nintendo Switch Lite. I'm already thinking about. I think I wanted to get Legend of Zelda, maybe Mario Odyssey, Luigi's Mansion. Who knows? Let's hope I don't go broke. So I didn't get any like accessories with it because I just wanted this shit now and just try and buy a game or two now and play it now because the way that the world is happening right now, this thing, Miss Rona, she's like, I want a permanent job here. Okay, I'm here to stay. Fuck. We need something to occupy our time. And so that's why I ended up buying this. Maybe I'll buy more Wii games because I do want to take advantage of my busted ass, old ass week that I got. And we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that was pretty much the whole unboxing video. For this video is already 9 minutes. Bitch! Ridiculous. Thank you for watching, anybody who watches who watches this video. If you like what you saw from me, because I'm alright to watch, I guess. So if you want to check out my other videos, I mostly do a lot of beauty makeup videos. I'm not really sure what to do next on my channel because I have been having ideas to film. Yeah, thank you very much for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time.